Dingoes are fascinating creatures with a rich history and unique characteristics. Here are 70 amazing facts about dingoes. Scientific name. The scientific name for the dingo is Canis lupus dingo. Origins. Dingoes are believed to have originated from domesticated dogs brought to Australia by humans over 4,000 years ago. Wild dogs. Dingoes are considered semi-domesticated or wild dogs. Appearance. They have a lean and agile build, with a bushy tail, pointed ears, and a distinctive yellow or reddish-brown coat. Coat colors. Dingoes can have a variety of coat colors, including ginger, sandy, black and tan, and cream. Diverse habitats. Dingoes inhabit a wide range of environments, from deserts to grasslands, and even forests. Adaptability. Dingoes are highly adaptable and have been known to adjust their diet based on the availability of food in their environment. Communication. Dingoes communicate through howling, growling, and barking, often using these sounds to mark their territory. Pack animals. Dingoes are usually pack animals, with a complex social structure. Packs typically consist of a mated pair and their offspring. Reproduction. Dingoes breed only once a year, and the female usually gives birth to 4 to 5 pups. Life expectancy. In the wild, dingoes typically live for about 5 to 10 years, while those in captivity can live longer. Efficient hunters. Dingoes are skilled hunters and primarily feed on small mammals, birds, and insects. Carnivorous diet. Their diet consists mostly of meat, but they may also eat fruits, plants, and insects. Clever hunters. Dingoes are known for their hunting strategies, such as working together to corner and catch prey. Nocturnal activity. They are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are more active during the night. Solitary individuals. While dingoes often form packs, some individuals may lead a solitary lifestyle. Distinctive footprints. Dingoes have distinctive footprints with claws that are closer together than those of domestic dogs. Jumping ability. Dingoes are agile and have a remarkable jumping ability, allowing them to cover large distances in search of prey. Fast runners. Dingoes are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Intelligence. Dingoes are considered highly intelligent and are known for their problem-solving skills. Hybridization. Dingoes can interbreed with domestic dogs, leading to hybrids known as dingo-dog hybrids. Controversy. The status of dingoes is a subject of debate, with some considering them a distinct species, while others classify them as a subspecies of the domestic dog. Conservation status. Dingoes are listed as a vulnerable species in some parts of Australia due to hybridization with domestic dogs and habitat loss. Cultural significance. Dingoes hold cultural significance for Indigenous Australian communities, featuring in Dreamtime stories and as companions for hunting. Introduced predators. The introduction of invasive species like foxes and cats has posed a threat to dingoes by competing for resources and preying on their young. Dingo fence. The dingo fence, also known as the dog fence, is a 5,600-kilometer-long fence in southeastern Australia designed to keep dingoes away from fertile land. Dietary adaptations. Dingoes have adapted to various diets, including scavenging on human refuse in some areas. Unique teeth structure. Dingoes have unique teeth adapted for their carnivorous diet, with strong canines for tearing meat. Dingo's howl. The dingo's howl is distinctive and often used as a form of communication to announce their presence or warn other dingoes. Conservation efforts. There are ongoing efforts to conserve purebred dingoes to maintain their genetic diversity and prevent further hybridization. Mating season. Dingoes typically mate in autumn, and the gestation period is around 63 days. Territorial marking. Dingoes mark their territory with urine, feces, and scent glands, helping establish dominance and prevent conflicts. Threats from disease. Dingoes are susceptible to diseases such as mange, which can impact their overall health and survival. Dingo and Fraser Island. Fraser Island, off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is home to a population of purebred dingoes that are protected. Night vision. Dingoes have excellent night vision, allowing them to navigate and hunt efficiently in low light conditions. Dingo skull. The skull of a dingo is broader and more robust than that of domestic dogs. Dingo pups. Dingo pups are born blind and deaf, and their eyes and ears open after about 2 weeks. Scent tracking. Dingoes have a keen sense of smell, aiding them in tracking prey or other dingoes. Threats from humans. Dingoes face threats from human activities, including hunting, habitat destruction, and control measures due to perceived threats to livestock. Dingo crossbreeding. Hybridization with domestic dogs can result in physical variations and changes in behavior in dingoes. Natural predators. Dingoes face predation from larger carnivores, such as crocodiles in some regions. Pest control. Some farmers consider dingoes a pest due to predation on livestock, leading to conflict and control measures. Dingo DNA. Genetic studies help differentiate purebred dingoes from hybrids and domestic dogs. Tail position. The position of a dingo's tail can indicate its mood, with a raised tail expressing confidence and aggression. Dingo tracks. Tracking dingoes can provide valuable information about their movements, behavior, and population dynamics. Hunting techniques. Dingoes use various hunting techniques, including stalking, chasing, and ambush. Dingo symbolism. In Aboriginal cultures, the dingo is often symbolic of survival, adaptability, and a connection to the land. Dingo vocalizations. Dingoes use different vocalizations, including growls and whimpers, to communicate with each other. Island populations. Some Australian islands, like Kari, Fraser Island, and the Whitsunday Islands, are home to isolated dingo populations. Ancient arrival. Dingoes arrived in Australia before the introduction of agriculture and are considered one of the continent's oldest introduced species. Dingo and livestock. While dingoes are known to prey on livestock, their impact on agriculture is a complex issue, with some studies suggesting their presence can benefit ecosystems. Scavenging adaptations. Dingoes have adaptations for scavenging, including a varied diet and the ability to go without water for extended periods. Conservation sanctuaries. Some conservation sanctuaries aim to protect and preserve purebred dingoes, allowing them to live in a more natural environment. Dingo myths. Myths and misconceptions surround dingoes, including their role in the extinction of the Tasmanian tiger, thylacine. Sustainable management. Sustainable management practices are essential to balance dingo conservation with the protection of livestock and ecosystems. Dingo and fire. Dingoes play a role in shaping ecosystems by influencing the distribution of prey species and reducing the risk of wildfires. Dingo identification. Identifying purebred dingoes from hybrids can be challenging, requiring a combination of genetic, morphological, and behavioral assessments. Cultural connection. Indigenous Australians have a deep cultural connection to dingoes, and their presence is intertwined with traditional stories and beliefs. Lactating females. Female dingoes produce milk only in response to the demands of their pups, saving energy when not actively nursing. Dingo hygiene. Dingoes are known for their grooming behavior, which helps maintain their fur and remove parasites. Conservation challenges. Maintaining the genetic purity of dingoes faces challenges due to habitat fragmentation, human activities, and the presence of domestic dogs. Feeding behavior. Dingoes often tear apart their prey to consume the internal organs first, fulfilling their nutritional needs efficiently. Remote sensing. Remote sensing technologies, such as camera traps, are used to monitor dingo populations and behavior in remote areas. Dingo diseases. Dingoes are susceptible to diseases like parvovirus and distemper, which can be introduced through contact with domestic dogs. Tourism impact. Dingoes on popular tourist islands, like Fraser Island, are subject to human interactions, posing risks to both humans and dingoes. Dingo skull shape. The shape of a dingo's skull differs from that of domestic dogs, reflecting adaptations to their environment and hunting behaviors. Dingo conservation foundations. Some organizations focus on dingo conservation efforts, working to raise awareness and protect their habitats. Culling controversy. The culling of dingoes as a control measure is a controversial topic, with debates about its effectiveness and ethical implications. Hybrid vigor. Hybrids between dingoes and domestic dogs may exhibit hybrid vigor, showing enhanced traits like disease resistance and adaptability. Dingo evolution. The evolution of dingoes in isolation from other canids has shaped their unique characteristics and adaptations to the Australian environment.